What's up, my Pugnios? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to go over arguably one of the best screen protectors out there on the market. This is the Glass by Corning anti-reflective UltraFit Armorite Pro screen protectors here for your Samsung S26 Ultra. This features twice as much scratch resistance, 25% reduction in scratch visibility, as well as a very easy, sleek installation process with 3 pieces of glass here for that future proofing. The UltraFit is one of my favorites here because it's nice and durable. 9H hardness tempered glass that is very crystal clear, yet has that really nice anti-reflective coating to give you scratch resistance, water resistance, as well as doling very light glares here on your phone. With that said, before we jump into it here, the folks at ESR did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product price and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Let's go ahead and unbox this, demonstrate it, and show you what you're getting yourself into. Unboxing is very straightforward. I love how it comes with 2 extra sheets here, so you have that future proofing. The application process is so easy here, and they've got all the tools necessary for you to be able to apply it. We can go ahead and take off the 2 extra. They've already got one installed here. You'll just need to remove this plastic here, and then to install it, you just align these 2 little latches, press them firmly in there, and then this is what's going to allow you to be able to adhere it. We need to prep our phone first, so let's get the squeegee. The prep involves a 3-step process here. You got antimicrobial wipes, you've obviously got your microfiber cloth, and you have stickers for dust. Go ahead and hit it with the wipe first. It's nice and moist and will also take bacteria, oils, or any other smudges off of your screen. Then we hit it with the microfiber cloth. I don't need to necessarily do the stickers. Now that the screen is prepped, we're gonna wanna have the phone facing up like that with the cameras facing up. We're gonna have this pull tab flapping down. There is some cushioning here, but you're gonna want to press here firmly to be able to get that even pressure. Now that we're ready, we're gonna go ahead and pull that golden tab, give it even pressure and strength. Hold firmly as we keep pulling and pulling and pulling. This is that plastic sheet here that is going to open up the adhesive, and with the pressure here, it's going to attach there firmly. And then once you're done here, there is this plastic piece that you'll just kind of peel off from the applicator, and there it is. First try, no bubbles at all. Very impressive. If needed, you can use their little squeegee if there is a bubble, but I had no problem with that at all. Coming up close, you can see it's very precise here around those edges. What's nice is you can place a case back on there without any hiccups. It's got that hydrophobic and anti-reflective coating on there, so if you can see here with the screen on, it reduces reflections significantly. I've even got it pointed at my very, very bright light. You can see there how much it reduces that reflection. You can see very clearly here on the screen. You'll just need to add a fingerprint back on there, but as you can see, it has no problem being able to read your fingerprint. We can go ahead after we've added the fingerprint, it unlocks super quickly just like that. Now that we're done, we can go ahead and place it back in its case. You can see here, it's not gonna bubble up. It's not pushing up against that screen at all. Still having full functionality of the phone. I really like how you can still doodle on it. It doesn't prevent your ability to use the S Pen. And then coming up close here, you can see as I point it towards my studio lights, it's got a significant amount of reduction in that reflection. You can still see now that I've got these lights pointing at it, it's very clear, concise, and the installation was so easy. With that said, the UltraFit Armorite Pro is best in class, I think, for AR screen protectors here. It's a fantastic addition here to your phone. You can now have that full protection here, scratch resistance, much more clarity, and anti-reflection here in your daily carry. With that said, the folks at ESR did provide this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. Check that out here as it helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.